Now, is there life on Mars? It's a question scientists have pondered for years. But now we might be close to an answer. NASA's Perseverance rover is in its second science campaign on the red planet. It has collected rock core samples from an old river delta in its efforts to discover signs of life. Reports say that the presence of organic matter in some of the most recent samples suggest that Jezero crater, which possibly had housed a lake before, had potentially habitable surroundings 3.5 billion years ago.
Jezero was selected for this mission because it meets several key mission goals. It allows us to explore an ancient habitable environment. It allows us to seek evidence of possible Martian life in rocks deposited at that time, about 3.5 billion years ago. And I want to emphasize, this mission is not looking for extant life, things that are alive today. Instead, we're looking into the very distant past when Mars's climate was very different than it is today.
The Jezero crater, which is about 45 kilometers wide, hosts a delta. It is a fan-shaped feature that was formed about 3.5 billion years ago at the convergence of a Martian river and a lake. NASA's rover is currently investigating the delta's sedimentary rocks. These rocks were formed when particles of varied sizes settled in the watery environment. During its first science campaign, the rover explored the crater's floor. The rover found igneous rock forming magma underground and hinting at volcanic activity in the region. In July this year, the rover scraped the surface of one of these sedimentary rocks so as to analyze the area.
It's clear that we are uncovering a bigger story that's happening in Jezero crater. So we found signals that we think are possibly from organic matter on every target that we've observed with Sherlock to date. And this isn't really unexpected. It aligns with what we've learned from studies on Earth and Martian meteorites and from Mars research from our sibling rover Curiosity. However, it does say that organics seem to persist in the very harsh Martian surface environment, which is very exciting for us.
Now, NASA's second rover, Perseverance, successfully landed on Mars in February 2021 after being launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida in July 2020. The rover has been operating on the planet for 18 months, and part of its mission is to search for evidence of past microbial life.